It is not enough to overthrow the forces of oppression, for this leads to violence and great loss of life and suffering, and too often only ushers in a different set of faces, a new lineage of oppressive rulers. How many people have sacrificed their lives and their well-being and their opportunity only to usher in a new and even more dangerous form of oppression, the new message for the impoverished and oppressed. In a world of ever-growing population and declining resources, humanity will face a great decision, a fundamental choice in which direction to go. Do nations compete and challenge each other for the remaining resources? Do they fight and struggle over who will control these resources and who will have access to these resources? For indeed, all the great wars of humanity's turbulent past have been a struggle, fundamentally, over gaining access to and control over resources. Will the wealthy nations of the world insist that their lifestyle must be preserved and therefore enter into competition and conflict with one another, further degrading the rest of the world, robbing the poorer people of the world of their own ability to sustain themselves so that some grand or indulgent lifestyle can be maintained in the wealthy nations? If humanity chooses this path, it will enter a period of prolonged conflict and permanent decline. Great waves of change, warning and preparation for the troubled times ahead.